Welcome back to teaching videos, guys. So in this video I will be showing you how to enable smart HDR on your TCL smart Google TV. So basically for this you need to go into the settings options, so you can tap the button on your remote for that, or you can manually go into the settings options by scrolling it, and you're going to see the dashboard right here. So we are going to go into the all settings by tapping on the top right gear option. So as you can see, now we need to go into the display and sound by scrolling down, and as you can see we need to go into the picture option right here. You can see the picture one, so we can tap into this one, and this is your picture preset on the number 1. So we are going to enter in this, and from here by default it is going to be standard or dynamic, so we are going to select the smart HDR. So we can tap it OK, and now you successfully enabled the smart HDR in your TCL TV. So I hope you really enjoyed this quick tip, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, guys, for more videos.